Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a giveaway of 6 bottles of this company's product, which I've been testing for the last 3 months. So stay tuned and watch the video. So today we're going to be doing a review on this particular product this company sent me about 3 months ago to try it out. So in order to give a fair review, it takes time for different things to build up in your system. The name of the company is Zen Men, but this particular product is Monolaurin. Monolaurin is nothing more than something to boost your immune system, antioxidant. So if there's women that are watching this, of course there is, it is a unisex product. I'll give you the ingredients that it has. It's Monolaurin, astragalus, beta-glucan, cat's claw, and olive leaf extract. All just herbs. You do have to make sure that there is medications that do interact with herbs. So just check them out first, and then you can determine whether or not you can take it. It is GMP certified. It is gluten-free, and it is GMO-free, and it is vegan. So Monolaurin actually helps to boost your immune support, and it also for seasonal support. Now I've been taking it for 3 months. I haven't got a cold. Energy, it gives you really good energy, natural energy, not like caffeine, coffee energy. So I was taking it in the evening, so I started taking it during the day, and it works out very well for me. I used to take Monolaurin for years before this company even contacted me, because having cancer twice, I needed something to always boost my immune system. So I always took Monolaurin for years, but I haven't taken it for quite a while. But I was really excited when they reached out to me about trying it. So it is a great product. No side effects at all. So they gave me a discount code for you if you like to purchase the products. I also am going to be doing a giveaway of 6 bottles of the products. So they have different products. I will put it above here. They have tick support. They have sciatica support. They have joint support. They have something called PEA. Don't ask me to pronounce it because I can't pronounce it. But it is also for immune support. They do have other men products too. Okay. But Monolaurin is a unisex product. Anyone can take this. For this giveaway, you have to be in the U.S. Second of all is in the comments. I will be choosing through a comment picker. I want you to put in the comments, I want this. Okay, so make sure you do that. Make sure you like. You have to be a subscriber also. So that's it on my review of the product, and I'm really excited to give away these products because it's an all-natural product. It's a lot of different products to be offered for men and women. This is also a U.S.-based company too, in Colorado, I believe. So make sure you like and comment on this video in order to get into the giveaway. And I will give it a few days because I know the YouTube notifications haven't been working too well for some people. And I will be making my choice, and I'll probably be announcing it Saturday, maybe, possibly. So make sure you turn your notification bells on, and looking forward to getting my next video out to you.